y'all, welcome back to my channel, and for the one that are new here, welcome. I'm very happy for you guys to be here with me. I was feeling a little bit inspired, and this is a cut crease. You guys know I struggle with cut creases, but I'm getting better as I practice and putting out this kind of content for you guys on my channel. So I've only used one palette as usual. I try to stick to one palette because I feel like it's easier and yeah, it's more fun for you guys. So I have used the 35B palette by Morphe. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and before we get into this tutorial, do not forget to subscribe, and yeah. Okay, I'm starting with my eyebrows already done. As usual, I have used the Look Online and brow cream from e.l.f. in the color Expresso, and now I am cleaning up the bottom part of my brows using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Waterproof Concealer in the color Walnut. And on top of my brows, I will go in with the e.l.f. 16 hour Camo Concealer in the color Deep Cinnamon. And to prime my eyelids, I will go in with the same concealer that I have used to clean the bottom part of my brows, which is the L'Oreal Infallible. And for this look today, we are using the Morphe 35B palette. So first I will go in with the black eyeshadow from this palette, creating that kind of cat eye shape, if that makes sense. And then to blend out the black eyeshadow, I will use the red color from the palette. You will not see it because I lost some footage of this video, but to blend the red shade, I have used a orange shade from the palette, so that's the part that is missing. And then I will go in and cut my crease using again the L'Oreal Infallible concealer. And on top of that, I will go in with the white shade from the Morphe 35B palette. And then I will go in with the Nicka liquid eyeshadow in the color Starlette Glitter. I found this liquid glitter eyeshadow at my local beauty supply store. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer, and for foundation today I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me plus Poreless foundation in the color Warm Coconut, and I'm using my Real Technique sponge to blend this out. To conceal my face, I'm using the e.l.f. concealer, and I will blend this out using again my Real Technique sponge. And since I really love this concealer, I love its consistency and how full coverage it is, so At this point, it is not highlighting my face, if it makes sense. So to highlight, then I will go in with a little bit of the L'Oreal Infallible concealer because it's lighter than my e.l.f. one. And as you can see, I put the lighter shade on the bridge of my nose and under my eyes only. To set my highlighted areas, today I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And to set the rest of my face, I will go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Mouth powder in the color Cacao. Now I'm going back to complete my lower lash line. I will be using this green color from the 35B palette on my lower lash line and really smoking it out. You seeing me contouring my nose, I'm using the BH Cosmetics contour and blush palette. So I'm contouring my nose and my cheekbones. To highlight, I'm using my Face Studio Master Chrome highlighter in the color Molten Gold. So I'm highlighting the top of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and a little bit on my forehead. And I'm using the same highlighter on my inner tear duct. To line my lips, I'm going in with Nicka K Bold Eye Pencil in the color brown. For lip gloss, I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. And then on top of that, I will go in with a lip gloss that I've bought at my local beauty supply store. So this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up so I know that you did like this video, and I will see you all on my next one. Yeah. See you on my next one.